Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to the Options Trading Foundation, the complete options trading course for beginners. Option is probably one of the most misunderstood financial instruments in the world of investing. For a lot of beginners, options trading could be extremely daunting and a challenging concept. Packed with tons of financial jargons, options seem to be something that you need a PhD in mathematics or finance to figure out. Knowing how to make money from options can definitely give traders some ridiculously high return if you know what you are doing. But the very idea of learning how to trade options scares off a lot of people who are new to the financial market, because most of them believe options trading is only for those sophisticated professional fund managers. However, the truth is, options trading is not as difficult as it seems like, and mastering it is definitely much easier than you thought. If you are interested in options, then this course will show you exactly how you can get into the door of options trading. Alright, first of all, I will share with you guys what you will learn from this course. Basically, you will learn all the basics on options, how to analyze the risk and the reward of any potential option trade setups, which is extremely important for beginners. You will also learn how to design your own options trading systems to profit from different market environments. If you are a long-term investor, you will also learn how to use options to hedge your investment portfolio and maximize your long-term returns. On top of that, I will also share with you guys the top 8 most popular options trading strategies that you can use right now to help you start out in options trading, and some extremely useful tips that every beginner options trader should know. Here's the entire curriculum of this options trading course for beginners. In total, there are 4 main modules and 16 different sub-modules. Module 1 is all about the options trading basics. This is the module to help the beginners to build a solid knowledge foundation on options and prepare you for the rest of the course. Module 2 is an extremely important module. You will learn how to draw and analyze the options risk graphs, or some traders call it the profit and loss graphs. Knowing how to use risk graphs is the single most important skill that every beginner should master. It is basically the bridge between your options knowledge and your real options trading executions. Modules 3 and 4 are all about designing trading strategies with different option combinations. I will go in-depth into 8 different option strategies and use examples with real companies to make sure you can understand and apply them on your own. So basically, after you complete this entire course, you will have the fundamental knowledge and the full confidence to start trading options on your own. If you already have the foundations on fundamental or technical analysis, then you will be able to combine options with fundamental or technical analysis to maximize your potential returns in the future. This course is mainly designed for 2 groups of beginners. First, well, obviously it's designed for beginner options traders, for those who wish to learn how to trade options like a pro. If you never trade options before but always want to learn how exactly the options trading works, or maybe you just started out but you're looking for the professional guidance to learn how to trade more properly, or maybe you have already traded the options for a while but you haven't achieved any consistent results yet, then this course will be perfect for you. The second group of people who are suitable for this course are actually the long-term investors. A lot of people have the wrong impression that the options is only good for the short-term traders or market speculators. It is not something like the long-term investors will use. However, the truth is, option is not only good for the short-term traders, but also is an extremely important tool for long-term investors and portfolio managers. If you are a long-term investor and looking for the best ways to hedge or protect your long-term investment portfolio, then this course can definitely help you achieve that. Also, we all know that the financial market goes in cycles. Each part of the cycle has different market actions, and using options is one of the most effective ways to maximize your long-term investment returns by taking advantages of each market cycle. So, no matter if you are a short-term trader or a long-term investor, you will definitely benefit from this options trading course. Of course, this course is not suitable for everyone. If you are looking for a magic formula to get rich overnight, then this course will certainly not gonna help you achieve that. In fact, after trading for so many years, I'm deeply convinced that trying to get rich quick is the quickest way to blow up your trading account. Second, if you are someone who has completely zero financial knowledge on the stock market, then this course may not be suitable for you, because the option is technically a derivative on top of a real underlying asset, and the stocks are the most common underlying assets for options. You definitely need some basic financial knowledge on the stock market to fully understand this course. Third, since this entire course is designed to help the beginners, if you are an advanced options trader who have already mastered the game, you may not find much extra value out of this course, unless you want to learn how I structure the whole course and teach other people. Alright, so these are the people who are perfectly suitable for this course, and these are the group of people who may not be suitable to go through the entire course. Cool, so here are some of the tips to help you guys how to get the most out of this course. First of all, options work the best when you have a solid technical edge in the market. So it will be extremely helpful if you have some basic knowledge on technical analysis, such as how to identify trends and the ranges, how to find support and the resistance in the market. If you are new to technical analysis, I actually uploaded my entire technical analysis foundation course for beginners on this channel too. You can find that entire course in this playlist. I will put the link in the description below. Think of this way, technical analysis is the tool to help you navigate the market and find your market edge. And the option is the one that helps you convert that edge into the maximum profit with the minimum downside risk. In this options trading course for beginners, there will be a lot of case studies to show you guys how to achieve that by combining options with technical analysis. Of course, speaking about technical analysis, the second thing I would highly recommend you guys to have for this course is a charting software and a watch list of your favorite 10 stocks. Whenever you learn something new from this course, especially something that you find extremely useful and you want to implement into your own trading system, it will be extremely helpful to try it on your own and see if you can understand the whole trade setups. TradingView is one of my favorite web-based charting platforms. It's extremely easy to use, definitely highly recommended to all the beginners if you're looking for something to start with. The last one is that I would highly recommend you not to skip any modules in this course because each module lays a certain amount of foundations for the next one. You may find it very difficult to follow if you jump several modules. Alright, last but not least, I want to share the reasons why I'm making this entire course for free. In fact, these are the same reasons why I made my previous technical analysis trading course for free. If you have been following this channel long enough or went through the whole technical analysis trading course, you would probably know that I am a strong believer of the basic universal financial knowledge. Everyone deserves the free access to the basic financial knowledge and education to protect ourselves in the financial market. And I'm really sick of seeing some fake gurus in our trading community packaging this basic knowledge and selling them for thousands of dollars. There's nothing wrong with paying for high-quality courses, but every beginner who is new to the financial market deserves a non-manipulative, systematic introductory course for free and learn the basics of any particular areas that you are interested in, and then decide if you want to pay some money for more in-depth advanced education. The second reason I made my courses for free is simply to give back to our trading community. I was lucky enough to receive great helps from my mentors and other professional traders when I started out. I understand how important it is to get professional guidance for non-professional beginners. So I just want to share all this knowledge with as many new traders as possible around the world and give back as much value as possible. The third reason is more on a personal level. I enjoy teaching in general because it's a really great way for me to keep learning something new. Learning by teaching truly helps me to discover some of the biggest blind spots on my mind and the areas I really need to continue working on. Of course, I'll be more than happy to connect with all of you guys and share knowledge with each other. The easiest way to do it is to subscribe to this channel and share your thoughts or questions in the comment section. I will make sure to reply to all of you guys. You can also connect with me on Twitter. My YouTube channel mainly focuses on the long-form educational contents, but if you want to know my quick thoughts or updates on the market, Twitter is the best place to be. For sure, you guys can always get in touch with me through emails if you have any questions or just want to connect. Alright, that will be the end of this course introduction. If you are new to this channel, my name is Vic. I'm really excited to walk through this entire course with you guys together in the coming couple of weeks. And I can't wait to see you guys in the module 1. Bye for now.